Have you ever wondered how one thrives in completely unfamiliar environments? This is where the power of adaptation comes into play. It's the extraordinary ability that allows us to navigate through the unknown and emerge stronger, smarter, and more resilient. Adaptation is often misunderstood as mere survival, the ability to weather the storm. But it's much more than that. It's about learning to dance in the rain, harnessing the storm's energy to fuel our growth. It's about finding opportunities in challenges and solutions in problems. It's about transforming the unfamiliar into the familiar. And at the heart of adaptation lies confidence, a belief in our ability to overcome, to learn, and to grow. It's the inner voice that tells us, yes, I can handle this. Yes, I can thrive here. Adaptation is the key to not just surviving, but thriving in unfamiliar environments. Now let's illuminate this with a real-life example. Consider the chameleon, an extraordinary example of nature's adaptability. This fascinating creature thrives in a variety of environments because of its ability to change color. It's not just about blending in, it's a survival strategy. The chameleon adjusts its hue to match its surroundings, effectively hiding from predators and even signaling its mood to others of its kind. This incredible adaptation is more than just skin deep. It's a display of resilience and intelligence that keeps the chameleon alive and thriving in the wild. Now, let's bring this concept into the human realm. Imagine stepping into an unfamiliar environment. It could be a new city, a different culture, or even a fresh job role. It can be disorienting, even intimidating. But like the chameleon, we too possess the power of adaptation. We observe, learn, and gradually blend in. We pick up on the social cues, the language nuances, the unspoken rules. We learn the rhythm of this new world, and in time, we become a part of it. This process of adaptation is a powerful confidence builder. With each new skill learned, each new challenge overcome, we grow stronger, more assured. We evolve, not by changing who we are at our core, but by adding new layers to our experience, new colors to our palette. Just like the chameleon, humans too can adapt and find confidence in unfamiliar environments. Remember, it's not about changing who we are, but about learning and evolving. So, what can we take away from our discussion today? Our journey has shown us the transformative power of adaptation. It's an ally, enabling us to confidently navigate the world's ever-changing landscapes. By viewing unfamiliar environments not as threats but as opportunities, we open doors to personal growth and evolution. Embracing change, we become versatile, resilient, and self-assured. Remember, each new situation is a chance to learn, to grow, to adapt. Embrace the unfamiliar, adapt, and watch your confidence soar. After all, life is all about learning, growing, and adapting.